Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV water hoses on Amazon. RV water hoses ensure a clean and safe water supply, facilitating efficient connections between campground sources and your vehicle's plumbing system. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. FlexZilla Garden Hose. This hose built with is unbelievably lightweight, which makes it an easy product to maneuver around and store. It also has superior O-rings that ensure this hose will last for a long time and be leak-free during its long life. This model does well in the harshest of climates as it can hold up in sub-zero temperatures, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, and desert temperatures, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This ability speaks to its overall versatility, which this hose gets from being built from a special polymer blend material. This material also allows this hose to be useful in many different environments, from boats, farms, RVs, gardens, or any place you could want a hose. FlexZilla also provides you with the option to pick from 7 different hose lengths to match your RV's needs. Number 2. Camco Premium Drinking Water Hose. This drinking water hose comes from a manufacturer that has a pristine reputation among RV owners. This water hose won't spoil that reputation in any way, as it comes with a variety of features that anyone would look to have in a water hose. For example, its heavy-duty material makes it 20% thicker than the standard water hoses, which means it is much more durable and will last longer. It's also free of any toxic chemicals or materials such as lead, BPA, or phthalate, which makes it safe to drink out of during those hot summer days. Aside from providing peak durability and safe for its owners, it also gives customers some practicality with its reinforced design. This design will make sure the hose never falls victim to those always burdensome kinks or tangles that many hoses endure during use. It's also protected against those pesky UV rays that could cause damage to the hose if it's left outside too long in the sun. Number 3. Water-Right Professional Coil Garden Hose. The Water-Right Professional Coil Garden Hose, that's the exception to the rule of you shouldn't use garden hoses on RVs. It's the exception because it's made from a drink-safe NSF-grade polyurethane material. This material also has the added benefit of making this garden hose lightweight and easy to move store around your RV. You might underestimate how important the feature storage capability is in finding the best RV water hose. But it does make a significant difference in how satisfied someone is with their purchase. In this case, I couldn't see a scenario where a person wouldn't be happy with how easily this hose is stored away. And its storage capabilities aren't the only reason this garden hose is a worthwhile option for you to consider. It also has specially designed strain reliefs on both ends to prevent kinks from becoming an issue. Number 4. Cori Premium Flexible RV Water Hose. This premium flexible RV water hose is an outstanding, reliable model for RV hookup or camping use. Its durable and lightweight construction makes it effective in those situations without any problems. After all, Cori made sure to use only high-quality premium materials when designing this option. So, this water hose will provide excellent results indoors and outdoors. Plus, it should remain usable for a long time when properly maintained. I was also thrilled with how easily this water hose connected to spigots without needing an adapter. It provides this sturdy connection to avoid leaking issues via its ergonomic aluminum fitting. Sadly, my previous short RV water hose didn't offer me the same benefits. Drinking out of this water hose was another delightful experience. Number 5. Camco Tastapure Heated RV Drinking Water Hose. This heated RV water hose provides its owner with a multitude of significantly beneficial features. For one, you'll never have to worry about cold water coming into your shower again in the winter. There might not be a worse experience than turning on your shower and having cold water blast you in the face during the wintertime. With this hose's energy-saving thermostat, this scenario will be a thing of the past. This heating technology will also ensure the hose never freezes during the winter either. You'll never have to worry about not having water access when it's freezing outside ever again, which is quite a comfort. But this hose also has a dual purpose of being a drinking water hose as well. See, it's made from those FDA-approved materials that are free of those harmful chemicals that have haunted hose products in the past. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.